Good afternoon, UPBOptionMillionaires.com. It is St. Patty's Day, St. Patrick's Day, March 17, 2015. It's about 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We have 3 hours left of this trading session. I'm in some 195 calls for Tesla as it moved up over this former resistance level, but could not hold above that level. Came back, and I think it's going to make another run at it. Once it does break this level, I think it will in the short term. I think it's going to head up, and you can look at this trend line that I have coming across here to the 210 level. Once we break through, I'm looking for a move up at least to this 210 level. If indeed Tesla can get above this, we could be looking at new all-time record highs for Tesla. Also, GoPro. I got out of some of the $40 calls that I got late last week and early this week. You can look at the move up it's had. It's up 3.38%, was up over 41 earlier. Consolidating here, the spike up consolidation. You can see this wedge almost forming here. Let me see if I can get this this pennant formation. See this? So we're looking for a breakout, a continuation to the upside. I would not be surprised to see GoPro close at the highs of the day. Twitter as well, and some call contracts from yesterday, pulling back a little bit, got over that $47 level. I don't know, double top in here? I don't think so. I think we're going to continue to the upside. I was talking about this in my video yesterday afternoon about Twitter. I think it's going to move up to the $50 level. I got some win calls. I don't know, win's been really beaten down. You see it's getting near support here. I was looking for a move back up to the 130 level. And we know this is an explosive stock when it's gets going. Look at the end of 2013. Almost a straight up rally, but the same thing to the downside. It's been contained by support here. Finally broke through it. Next level's down here about 118. We're getting close to that. I'm looking for a short-term bounce. Also, Caterpillar. Got some calls this morning. I know I was talking about it on StockTwit. This is a stock back at the end of 2015 when it was up over $105 a share. I said it was going to break under 100 and head into the 80s. It has. Look at this decline. It's been almost straight down. And I said on StockTwits the other day, I would be looking at the $75 figure as a point of interest as far as going long this stock. And you look from a long-term trend line perspective, you can see why I said that. But you look at the amount of decline we've had in such a short period of time, and factor that in with how I think the market's going to trade from here on the next couple trading sessions. I think we're going to trade higher. So I'm looking for a bounce. It's been what? 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1, a 2. It's been 5 consecutive weeks of downside for Caterpillar. We'll see if that trend could end this week, which would mean a move back over $80 a share, which is not really that much, and the market's not pricing in a big move. All right. Short video here, market update, some of the positions I'm in, and looking for additional positions as we go through the week. But those are the ones I like, and I'll see you in the chat room, OptionMillionaires.com. Happy St. Patty's Day. If you do drink, don't drink too much. And if you drink too much, stay home. UPB here. Goodbye.